Dreaming of a giant, crystal-clear picture? We're diving deep into the top contenders for the best 4K projector of 2024. From stunning home theater experiences to ultra-portable options, we'll help you find the perfect fit for your cinematic cravings. Hit the subscribe button, give a thumbs up or down, and comment about which one is best for you. Okay, let's get started. Number 1. Epson ProCinema LS12000. For those seeking one of the best long-throw 4K projectors without breaking the bank on top-end models from Sony and JVC, the Epson ProCinema comes highly recommended. Featuring a laser light engine and 2700 lumens brightness, it delivers a vibrant HDR picture supporting both HDR10 and HDR10+ formats that shines in dim home cinema settings. Boasting sturdy build quality, the projector can project images up to 130 inches with ease. It offers vertical and horizontal lens shift for straightforward and accurate setup with a projection screen, and includes a pair of HDMI 2.1 ports supporting 4K 120Hz input. While the projector excels in a dark room, our review found its picture quality to be stunningly acceptable even without ideal conditions. While it's not a budget option, Epson offers a slightly cheaper but nearly identical model, the Epson S11000, with a lower contrast ratio and slightly less defined blacks. Number 2. LG CineBeam Q. LG's CineBeam Q stands out as an ultra-compact 4K projector that blends style with functionality. Featuring an all-metal case and a 360-degree rotating carrying handle, it's as much a piece of art as it is a projector, making it a stylish addition to any space even when not in use. Beyond its aesthetic appeal, the LG CineBeam Q prioritizes picture quality, offering a filmmaker mode preset for highly accurate images out of the box. With an RGB laser DLP light engine, 4K resolution, and HDR10 support, it excels in delivering cinematic experiences, though its limited 500 ANSI lumens brightness necessitates viewing in a darkened room for optimal visual impact. Setup is made easy with auto-screen adjustment and autofocus features, while manual setup options allow for further picture customization. Streaming capabilities are provided by LG's WebOS platform, offering access to popular apps like Netflix, Disney+, Apple TV+, and YouTube. Number 3. JVC DLA NZ8. If you're in search of the ultimate 4K projector for a dedicated home theater and have a generous budget, look no further than the JVC DLA NZ8. This native 4K projector utilizes a blue Ascent laser light source to deliver bright images with unparalleled black levels. Impressively low fan noise further enhances the viewing experience, making the DLA NZ8 an ideal choice for a high-end home theater setup. Equipped with JVC's 3-chip DILA device featuring 8K eShift processing, the projector effectively displays images at 8K resolution. It also boasts powerful auto-tone mapping for HDR and a Frame Adapt HDR feature that dynamically processes HDR in real time. Additionally, the Theater Optimizer feature optimizes HDR based on your projection screen size and surface gain, ensuring maximum dynamic range in images. While the DLA NZ8 comes with a hefty price tag, it offers unparalleled quality and performance. With its combination of powerful contrast, HDR support, and future-proofing capabilities, including 8K input and display capability, it sets a new standard for home theater projectors. Number 4. Hisense L9G TriChroma Laser 4K TV. The Hisense L9G isn't your ordinary projector. It's a 4K laser TV system bundled with a 100-inch ambient light-rejecting screen with a 120-inch option available. Positioned as one of the best ultra-short-throw projectors, it sits at a fixed distance from the wall-mounted screen, approximately 11 inches with the 100-inch screen. In our review of the Hisense L9G, we were impressed by its bright 3000 lumen image, which provided comfortable viewing even in well-lit environments. With lights off, the projector delivered a stunning picture, thanks to its tri-laser light engine that produces vivid colors, covering 107% of the BT 2020 color space and rich shadow details. Key features include HDMI 2.1 ports with EARC, an Android Smart TV interface, and a built-in 40-watt speaker system that offers powerful audio without the need for a separate soundbar. While the L9G typically comes with an included screen, Hisense now offers the projector separately at a reduced cost, providing users with more flexibility in their setup. Number 5. Samsung, the Premier. Samsung's The Premier may come with a higher price tag, but it offers distinct advantages that set it apart from other ultra-short throw projectors. Firstly, it features Samsung's Tizen Smart TV interface, providing seamless streaming, gaming, and content discovery experiences, mirroring the interface found in the company's TV lineup. Secondly, it boasts a robust built-in sound system, eliminating the need for an external soundbar. With its sleek white glossy casing and gray fabric mesh covering the speakers, the Premier adds a touch of sophistication to any living room. It boasts a brightness of 2,700 lumens and a 3-laser light engine that can cover an impressive 106% of the BT. 2020 color space, making it a powerhouse for home theater enthusiasts. Offering a compelling combination of excellent pictures, immersive sound, and smart TV capabilities, the Premier delivers exceptional value for its price as an all-in-one projection system. All right, decision time. After comparing features and performance, the crown for the best overall 4K projector goes to the Epson ProCinema LS12000. Its incredible picture quality and features make it a true home theater powerhouse. But hey, there's a perfect projector out there for everyone's needs. What features matter most to you? Let us know in the comments below.